Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps on a Chuwi GemiBook Pro. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start and go to the settings. Right here we want to select Apps, Installed Apps, and then we can see the list of all of the apps that we've just installed or had installed on our laptop. Now, only thing left to do is to find whichever app you want to uninstall. You can use this search bar if you want. In this case, I'm actually gonna scroll down. And for this example, I'm not sure if we'll be able to uninstall it, but we can select the sticky notes or not. So let's go for the Skype. We can click on the three dots next to the app and then select the uninstall button, proceed with the instructions, and the app should be removed from your laptop. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.